हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल जे जे एजुकेशन। आज के इस वीडियो में हम बात करने वाले हैं बहुत ही ट्रेंडिंग एंड इंटरेस्टिंग स्पेशलाइजेशन एंड दैट इज बीबीए इन डिजिटल मार्केटिंग। See, I have already uploaded videos regarding so many BBA specializations such as BBA in finance, HR, marketing, international business, information technology, event management, banking and insurance, accounting, media management, logistic and supply chain management, and so on. So if you missed up with that videos, then please click on the link which is mentioned in my description, or else you can also click on this I button. Alright, so in this particular video, first of all, let's begin with what is BBA in digital marketing all about. BBA in digital marketing is a 3 years undergraduate course including 6 semesters. And if you have opted this specialization, then you will learn regarding how to use advanced technology for marketing of product and services in the market. You will also learn regarding how to use digital technologies such as internet, mobile phone, advertisement and other digital media platforms for promoting product and services. Basically, ये जो digital marketing है, that is relatively a very new concept in the field of marketing. All right, and student will learn so many things because it is become necessary to use for each and every MNCs, each and every business houses. All right. So now let's see which type of concepts and theories you will learn if you have opted this particular specialization. So you can able to learn a wide range of applications and techniques which is used in the field of digital marketing. You can able to learn basic sub-disciplines of the management. You will be able to learn regarding various concept of digital marketing. प्लस यू कैन एबल टू लर्न कि जो पीपल है वो कौन कौन से टॉपिक पर ज़्यादा रिसर्च करते हैं, कितनी बार करते हैं और कब तक करते हैं. यू कैन एबल टू फाइंड इट आउट बाय स्टडी ऑन दिस पर्टिकुलर स्पेशलाइजेशन. Other than that, you will learn concept of sales conversions, then methods that enables an organization to analyze the marketing campaign. What on the internet is working and what is not. इंटरनेट पे कौन कौन सी चीज़ ज़्यादा वर्क करती है, कौन कौन से कंसेप्ट एंड थियरी वर्क करते हैं, कौन कौन से कंसेप्ट एंड थियरीज वर्क नहीं करते हैं. You will also learn this such thing. Then operations of the modern world of marketing, pursuing advanced research in the discipline, what content works and doesn't work in the industries. These are the list that you will learn if you have opted digital marketing as a specialization. Now let's talk about eligibility criteria. See, if you want to get admission in BBA digital marketing, then you have to clear your 12th with minimum 50% marks. And plus you have to clear entrance exam for getting admission in top colleges. These are the list of top entrance exam that you need to clear, anyone as per your interest, for getting admission in that particular college. सी मैंने ऑलरेडी टॉप बीबीए एंट्रेंस एग्जामिनेशन की जो इन डेप्थ इंफॉर्मेशन है, लाइक उसमें सिलेक्शन क्राइटेरिया क्या होगा, सिलेबस क्या होगा, पैटर्न क्या होगी एग्जाम की, उसके रिलेटेड वीडियो ऑलरेडी अपलोड कर दिया है. लिंक में मैंने डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मैंने उसकी लिंक डाल दी है, सो जस्ट वॉच इट आउट. ऑलराइट. नेक्स्ट इज सब्जेक्ट कि इफ यू हैव ऑप्टेड डिजिटल मार्केटिंग एज अ स्पेशलाइजेशन, देन विच टाइप ऑफ सब्जेक्ट्स यू विल लर्न. So you can able to learn regarding communication skills, basics of digital management, internet technologies, then SEO, social media marketing, data analytics, then web design and development, data mining, content marketing, digital marketing laws, and lead generation and email marketing. These are the list of subjects that you will learn if you have opted this particular specialization. All right. See, one more thing I want to add up कि as a student you should have a proper communication skill, plus you have to have that power to convince your client. क्योंकि BBA in digital marketing is all about कि आपको अपनी product and services को सेल करना होगा in front of customer, client. So you should have that ability कि आप अच्छी तरीके से उनके साथ cope up कर सकोगे, आपको friendly nature रखना होगा, आपको पेशेंस रखना होगा. These are the skills that you should have if you want to opt this particular specialization. All right. Okay, so now at last let's talk about career opportunities. सी ये जो डिजिटल मार्केटिंग है दैट इज ऑल्सो नोन एज डेटा ड्रिवन मार्केटिंग इन टूडेज सिनेरियो। प्लस हमने अभी बात की कि ये जो डिजिटल मार्केटिंग है उसका इम्पोर्टेंस आज के ज़माने में बहुत ही ज़्यादा बढ़ गया है। एंड जो एमएनसीज है, बिजनेस हाउसेस है, उसमें बहुत सारी कंपटीशन है फॉर यूजिंग डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ टेक्निक्स फॉर द मार्केटिंग पर्पस। सो एज अ स्टूडेंट यू कैन गेट बेनिफिट आउट ऑफ इट, क्योंकि आपके पास बहुत सारी स्पेशलाइजेशन की बहुत सारी जॉब प्रोफाइल आपके लिए अवेलेबल होगी फॉर डूइंग ए जॉब। ऑलराइट, सो अब हम उसके बारे में बात करते हैं कि अगर आपको जॉब गेन करनी है देन विच टाइप ऑफ जॉब प्रोफाइल यू कैन गेन आफ्टर कंप्लीटिंग बीबीए इन डिजिटल मार्केटिंग। ऑलराइट, सो you can get a job, just a second. Okay, so you can be web analyst, you can be email marketing specialist, you can be project manager, then you can be social media manager, you can be web designer, or else you can also be a teacher or a professor if you want to teach students in colleges and universities. All right, other than that अगर आपको MBA करना हो then you can also start your post graduation by doing MBA in digital marketing. Other than that, MPhil and PhD is also available if you are too much interested in teaching students in universities and institute. All right, so this is all about what is BBA in digital marketing. Still, if you have any confusion, any doubt, feel free to ask me in the comment section, or else you can also ask me in my Instagram and Facebook page. मैंने Instagram and Facebook ID की जो लिंक है वो डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में डाल दी है. Please follow me so that you can get latest news or updates regarding education. In the next video, I'll be come with some another interesting topic for you guys. For that, you need to subscribe my channel. Also press bell icon so that you will receive notification at first. See you in my next video. Till goodbye. Keep learning, keep educating yourself. Thank you.